Hey, what's up everybody? Today I want to share with you one mistake to avoid before you start your next batch. Stay tuned. I just want to let you guys know one thing to avoid before you start your next batch. So what I've done in the past, and I've made the mistake of after I have emptied out my first batch and right before I do my next one, there have been times when I've kind of, my schedule's gotten busy, or I just didn't have a chance to make another batch. Just life just happens, and so my kombucha just kind of sat in its juice in the jar for 2, 3, 4, 6 weeks, and I didn't do anything with it. Well, let me tell you what happens if you do that. Number one, your juice at the bottom will over ferment. It's going to almost be like an apple cider vinegar taste where you can't even drink it. So you're going to have to redo that whole batch. Also, what could happen is if you leave it in there too long, which I have done before in the past, your juice will actually dry up, and your kombucha, your scoby will begin to dry up as well. And if that happens, you've got to buy a brand new scoby and start all over again. So please don't be like me. Don't let 3, 4, 5 weeks pass before you start your next batch. If you keep the batch going, it's going to just add to the culture and just make it taste all that much better. So I just want to share with you all the mistake that I made. I wouldn't wait, depending on how fermented your juice is, I wouldn't wait more than 2 weeks to start your next batch. Really, that's kind of going a little bit too long as it is, but that's just my advice in that situation. Thanks a lot. Bye.